is a colorful member of the Latin American toucan family. It is the national bird of Belize. This species is found in tropical forests from southern Mexico to Colombia. It is an omnivorous forest bird that eats fruits, seeds, insects, invertebrates, lizards, snakes, and small birds and their eggs. The keeled toucan, or rainbow-billed toucan, is a colorful member of the Latin American toucan family. It is the national bird of Belize.